So g'day gang, how are you? It's Howie here and myself. We're on the Canning Stock Route. We're at well 3. Now you're probably wondering why the hell are we on the Canning Stock Route? Well, it's all about building capacity for people. Who are you, Howie? Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Okay, well, this is my story. I had a very bad car accident in '97. I was in the second year of a PhD in string theory. I got totaled by the semi, and I did. My mother was wonderful. She helped me to recover from it, but in the end, I didn't make it back to my studies, and but down the track a few years later.
So what we're working on with Howie is, Howie's a very intelligent, as he said, he was doing his PhD in string theory, which is mathematics for those of us who didn't know what it was or don't know what it was.
And physics, D-brains as well.
And physics.
D-brains and stuff as well.
He's certainly a very intelligent person, but the problem Howie has is putting the pieces of the puzzle together. So that's what we help with. So on this trip, well, you'd have to say at the start, we've done a few trips together, Howie and I, haven't we?
Yes, we have.
So at the start of this trip, you couldn't put the swag, you couldn't set the swag up or pack it up. Now just this morning, so you basically packed it up yourself.
Yeah, I did. I packed up myself. That's right.
Rolling it's actually a bit of a challenge, so we rolled it together.
Exactly. Me and Red Bull. Me and this guy, Red. Well, take a bit of liberty. His name is Peter, but he looks like a Red Bull to me.
Howie's also worked on, so he does the dishes every morning with Mark. Mark washes, Howie dries, and then Howie's working out where to put the dishes, because obviously our camp changes every day. So we've got the back slide of the car, we've got tables, and also we have a little shelf in the car as well. So he's working out where to put everything. The cutlery, the knives and forks, the implements and things like that.
And the crockery.
The crockery, we've got to put the crockery away. Otherwise we have to eat off sand, which is not a great idea.
No.
How do you reckon this trip has helped you, Howie?
Well, the main thing, I do the washing up at home, so that's not, but so it has helped me a bit though, because in terms of where to put things, and probably might be, I'm better at that now, where to put things, but the main thing is actually, is the thing of putting of the swag. Also organising his bag, so that's a really big one. So I give Howie a little bit of help with organising his bag each day, because otherwise it becomes an absolute dog's breakfast and a mess. But otherwise, how's the trip been? Marvellous.
So this has been one of the best trips. It's so much fun. We're isolated. We've been just by ourselves, haven't we?
Yeah, we have been, absolutely. We've met other people. We've met other travellers,
but not many.
But and just well, it's good to check in with other people here or there a bit, and then we have to go on our separate ways, like very fleeting encounters, and back to our own lives like that.
Keep up the good work, Howie, and we'll see you on the next trip somewhere in the wild, woolly outdoors of Australia.